Number 10. Perfect hearing. Cats can hear sounds at frequencies much higher than what humans can detect. They can hear sounds as high as 64 kilohertz, while the highest pitch a human ear can detect is around 20 kilohertz. This means that cats can hear much more than we can, including the ultrasonic vocalizations of rodents like mice and rats. Cats use their perfect hearing to help them hunt, as well as to communicate with each other. They can also use it to detect danger, such as the approach of a dog or human. Cats' ears are also very flexible and mobile, which helps them to pinpoint the source of a sound. Their ears can move independently of each other, and they can rotate them in all directions to try and locate the source of a noise. 9. Seeing in the dark. Cats can see 6 to 8 times better in the dark than humans, thanks to a reflective layer of tissue in their eyes, called the tapetum lucidum. This layer of tissue reflects light back into the retina, giving cats better night vision. Cats also have more rods than cones in their eyes, and rods are the cells that are responsible for detecting light and motion. Cats' pupils are also much larger than humans, which allows more light to enter their eyes. All of these factors allow cats to see very well in low light conditions. However, cats still need some light to see. They cannot see in complete darkness. Number 8. Keen sense of smell. A cat's sense of smell is so keen that they can pick up scents that are 14 times fainter than those that humans can detect. They have about 200 million scent receptors in their noses, compared to about 5 million in humans. These receptors allow cats to detect a wide range of smells, from the subtle scent of a mouse to the strong odor of catnip. Cats use their sense of smell for a variety of purposes, including finding food, marking territory, and communicating with other cats. They also use their sense of smell to gather information about their surroundings. For example, cats can tell if a human has been in an area by sniffing their scent. Number 7. Excellent swimmers. Even though cats spend most of their time on land, they are actually excellent swimmers. They use their paws to steer themselves through the water, and their claws help them grip onto things in order to pull themselves out of the water. Some breeds of cats are better swimmers than others, such as the Maine Coon and the Bengal. These cats have webbed feet, which help them to paddle through the water. Cats typically don't enjoy swimming because it makes their fur wet and heavy. They also don't have a natural instinct to swim, unlike dogs. However, with some encouragement, most cats can be taught to swim. Number 6. Night vision. Cats have excellent night vision thanks to their eyes' ability to reflect light. This allows them to see much better in low light conditions than humans. Cats' eyes also have more rods than cones, and rods are the cells that are responsible for detecting light and motion. In addition, cats' pupils are much larger than humans, allowing more light to enter their eyes. All of these factors allow cats to see very well in low light conditions. However, cats still need some light to see. They cannot see in complete darkness. 5. Agility and balance. Cats are known for their agility and balance, and for good reason. They have several features that make them great at climbing and jumping. First, cats have flexible spines, which allow them to bend their bodies and move through small spaces. They also have sharp claws that help them grip onto surfaces and keep them from slipping. Additionally, cats have excellent sense of balance, which helps them stay upright when they are climbing or jumping. Finally, cats are simply very strong and muscular, which allows them to support their own weight when they are high up. 4. Super senses. Cats have super senses that make them great hunters. They have excellent hearing, which allows them to detect the sounds of their prey. Their sense of smell is also keen, which helps them to track down animals. And their night vision is much better than ours, so they can hunt at night. Cats' claws are also perfect for hunting. They are sharp and can be extended, making them ideal for catching and holding onto prey. Finally, cats' teeth are designed for tearing up flesh, so once they have caught their prey, they can easily tear it apart and eat it. 3. Fast reflexes. A cat's reflexes are lightning fast, which is one of the reasons why they are such successful hunters. Their reflexes allow them to react quickly to the movements of their prey, and this helps them to catch their meals. Cats' reflexes are so fast because their nervous system is highly developed. Their brains are able to process information very quickly, and this allows them to respond to stimuli very fast. In addition, Cats' muscles are also very responsive, which allows them to move quickly. Finally, cats' eyes are designed to detect movement very well, and this helps them to spot potential prey. No. 2. Being able to jump incredible heights. Cats are amazing jumpers, and they can leap incredible heights. On average, cats can jump about 6 times higher than their own height. This means that a cat that is 1 foot tall can jump up to 6 feet in the air. There are many factors that contribute to a cat's jumping ability. First, cats have very strong legs and feet, which allow them to propel themselves upward. They also have flexible spines, which allow them to bend their bodies and reach greater heights. Additionally, cats have excellent balance, which helps them to stay upright when they are jumping. Finally, cats have sharp claws that help them grip onto surfaces and prevent them from slipping. No. 1. Independent. Cats are independent creatures who don't require a lot of attention from their owners. They are perfectly capable of entertaining themselves and don't get bored. This is in stark contrast to dogs who need a lot of attention and exercise. Because cats are so independent, they can be left alone for longer periods of time than dogs. This makes them ideal pets for busy people. Cats are also very clean animals. They groom themselves constantly and use a litter box, so they don't require the same level of care that a dog does. Overall, cats are simply low-maintenance pets who can bring a lot of joy to their owners.